Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share for Casey Creates, who's doing a birthday giveaway, crafty giveaway challenge. And you don't have to send anything in. All you have to do is create something that you would send somebody, or something, show something that someone sent you. Okay? And you do a VR, which is a video response. The deadline is to do the VRs is July 3rd. The drawing will be July 5th. Okay? And here's what I have created for this challenge. It is a flip tag book, or tag flip book. And what I did is I will be doing a tutorial on this. I don't know when, but it will be done. What I done was took some cardstock, okay, and I did my base here, and then I did like I was gonna do photos on the sides, but instead I did something different. Okay, and I have one here, one at the top here, okay, one at the bottom, and two on this side. Now I'm gonna explain what I've done on each item, on each flip, if I can flip it in right. Whoops. Okay, this way. Okay, the first flip here is paper that came from, it's all the paper came from this paper pad, which is lost and found. And I remember, if I remember right, I purchased this from someone, and it's made by My Mind's Eye. I wanted my book to be a little vintagey and a little blingy, but not all the flips have bling. This one has it, and the bling came from Dollar Tree, so did the music notes. The little pearls here came from Dollar Tree. I just like the paper. And here we have another mat with bling around it, and you can see my little Velcro here to hold it shut, but I'm gonna come up with a different closure. And here's a little journaling tag. You can journal right here. You can use the tag. You can do it whatever way you want. Here you can journal more. Over here's more journaling space. It's a tag flip journal. No, let's put it this way. It's a journaling tag flip book. Okay. Over here you can title something here, and bling again is from Dollar Tree, so it's the pearls and the music note. Over here, as you can see, I didn't put no bling. I just went in with stitching. And you see? That way you can journal here. You can journal over here, which I put pearls. Flat back. I call this micro mini. You see? I'll take it up to the camera, and it's that small, ladies. And I put another music note there. Up here, I did the same thing. I did the stitching because I didn't want it to be too bulky. And then here, we have another flip here with let me flip this up, with the stitching. Here you see I have stitching on the pocket, which if you wanted to, you can journal here or you can add something. The same thing with the back here. You can either journal or you can add a photo. Now, the tags, I use, I think it's Tim Holtz, this music washi here to cover the edges. And then I put some eyelet trim and ribbon. and put it inside the pocket here. Same with this one. Trim holds, the eyelid trim and ribbon, and I put it right in the pocket. So you got 2 tags here. Flip here, the stitching, and the music note. So if I do this, this is 1 flip, 2 flip, 3 flip, 4, and then close. And then on the back, I have it where I have a bigger tag and a bigger pocket. Again with the music notes, the micro mini pearls, and the floral bling. My note here. You can either journal or add a photo. And the same thing here. You can journal on both sides or add a photo. Okay, I have the micro mini pearls, the Tim Holtz music washi, micro minis here. Same with the eyelash trim and the ribbon. And then here, as you can see, I have another tag, which is a pocket up here. And this tag has the micro minis on both sides. I have a little pull tab with the floral bling on both sides. So you can easily, I don't know, journal, add a photo, do whatever you want with it. So I'm going to slip this back into its pocket. And the pocket I did, wait a minute, I'm not hitting the pocket. I did the pocket where it's like an accordion fold, and I have a strip going all the way down to where the pocket expands. If I want to add another tag, I can add another tag. And the eyelid trim is getting stuck to everything. And the same with the pocket here. As you can see, I have the fold over accordion, only one, but it's an accordion fold, and I can add more tags in here. I can add a little bit extra, ephemera or whatever in it. And that is my take on the challenge. And I like the way it came out. I love the way it came out. And I hope you like it also. Now, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put up videos. Be nice, be safe, be kind, be loving, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.